For years I relied on to-do lists, and they failed me. I kept rewriting the same tasks every day, moving them forward again and again, and feeling terrible every night when half the list was still undone. So I did something different. I threw away my to-do list and built an AI workflow system instead, a system that tells me exactly what to do next without thinking, without planning, and without rewriting tasks. And honestly, it changed the way I work forever. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build the same system using only free tools. To-do lists fail because they treat everything as equally important, force you to constantly decide what to do next, grow instead of moving, create guilt instead of progress. Your brain gets overwhelmed looking at a pile of tasks. Work stops feeling like progress, it becomes pressure. The solution isn't more planning. It's flow. Step 1. Brain dump. I dumped every task in my mind into ChatGPT, everything personal, work, and life tasks into one messy list. Then I used this prompt. Convert these tasks into a workflow system with stages: backlog, next up, in progress, waiting, done. Sort these tasks into the best stage and order for execution. Suddenly, instead of chaos, I had a clear path, work that flows forward. Open ChatGPT, paste your messy list, paste the prompt above, save the result. Step 2. A simple Kanban board. I opened Trello and created a board with 5 columns. Backlog, next up, in progress, waiting, done. Then I copied the tasks from ChatGPT into the right column. Now instead of staring at a long list, I only look at next up, one small stack of tasks ready to move. Work became visual, not overwhelming. Create a Trello board, add the 5 columns above, paste tasks into each. Here's the rule that changed everything. Never choose tasks. Only pull the next card. When I finish one task, I drag it to done and drag the next card from next up to in progress. No planning. No deciding. No stress. The workflow moves, and you move with it. Tomorrow morning, do not open your entire board, open only in progress and next up. Pull the top card and start. Step 3. Use Pomodoro timer. To stay inside the workflow, I used a 25-minute focus timer in TickTick. I start the timer, work on the single task, stop only when it ends. When a card moves to done, the brain gets a reward spike, progress becomes addictive. That's the opposite of to-do list guilt. Download TickTick, start a 25-minute timer on your first task. Begin. Don't think. Results after 1 week. Before this system, I constantly felt behind and overwhelmed. Lists kept growing, and nothing ever felt complete. After switching to a workflow system, work became lighter and simpler. Tasks flowed forward naturally, and finishing work felt satisfying instead of stressful. The biggest change wasn't productivity, it was peace. AI didn't do the work for me. It made doing the work friction-free. Try this for one day. 1. Dump tasks to ChatGPT. 2. Build the workflow in Trello. 3. Pull tasks instead of choosing. 4. Use 25-minute focus blocks. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you want more practical systems like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Before you go, comment flow below if you're committing to trying this system for 24 hours. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.